Crunch in color, vibrant salad bowls for a healthier you. Dive into a world of crisp greens, vibrant veggies, and nutritious goodness with our collection of healthy and vibrant salad recipes. Elevate your clean eating journey with these mouthwatering creations that not only nourish your body but also tantalize your taste buds. From refreshing summer salads to hearty winter bowls, this compilation promises a symphony of flavors that make clean eating a delight. Mix and match greens. Combine a variety of leafy greens like kale, spinach, and arugula for a nutrient-rich base. Add a protein punch. Incorporate lean proteins such as grilled chicken, chickpeas, or quinoa to make your salad satisfying. Embrace colorful veggies. Opt for a rainbow of vegetables to ensure a diverse range of nutrients and flavors. Go nuts for texture. Add crunch with a handful of nuts or seeds like almonds, sunflower seeds, or pumpkin seeds. Dress smartly. Create homemade dressings using olive oil, lemon, and herbs for a healthier alternative to store-bought options. Fruit fusion. Enhance sweetness and texture by tossing in fresh fruits like berries, apple slices, or pomegranate seeds. Cheese in moderation. Sprinkle a bit of feta, goat cheese, or parmesan for a savory kick, but keep portions in check. Mindful portion control. Enjoy your salad in moderation to avoid overeating and maintain a balanced diet. Experiment with herbs. Elevate the flavor profile with fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, or mint. Stay hydrated. Accompany your salad with water or herbal tea to stay hydrated and aid digestion. These salad recipes are not just meals, they're a celebration of wellness and a testament to the joy of clean eating. With a rainbow of colors and an array of nutrient-packed ingredients, each bite brings you closer to your health and fitness goals. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe today for more brewed content.